होंडा की सबसे पॉपुलर कार पूरे वर्ल्ड में होगी द वन एंड ओनली सिविक, टोयोटा कोरोला की सबसे पुरानी कॉम्पिटिटर। ये कार लॉन्च हुई थी इन द 70s बट इन इंडिया इट केम वेरी लेट इन द ईयर 2006 बट ओ बॉय व्हेन इट केम पूरे इंडिया पे छा गई एंड इट बिकेम एन enthusiast favorite. Hello guys, my name is Karan. This is Flaunt your rides and for the first time we have a Civic for you. But it is not a normal Civic in any way. So, भैया गाड़ी तो आपने देख ली, अब मन कर रहा होगा, सोच रहे होंगे कि इसमें हुआ क्या क्या हुआ है एंड फॉर दैट वी वेलकम आवर गेस्ट फॉर टुडे मिस्टर जस्टिन गिल.
Thank you.
He is the mastermind behind this one of Civic in the country. So सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सटीरियर से, which look fabulous I would say, and the first thing I want to talk about is this thing. Please let us know.
Basically, like a lot of people put different stickers and logos on their car
Yes.
for no reason. So I was simply going with a JDM feel.
This is a very JDM car and this is a rising sun कहते हैं इसे and JDM means Japanese domestic market and Civics, all the Japanese brand उनकी कार होती हैं and they are heavily modifiable and everything. So this sticker goes very well with all the Japanese car I would say.
Yeah, it does.
And
Definitely.
it looks very good in the front and after that यहाँ पर chrome पूरा.
See, chrome, I hate chrome. Bro. Everything is chrome deleted.
So there is no chrome on this car. Everything this guy has blacked it out.
Yep.
So now I will move on to this forged carbon fiber hood, which is not actually forged carbon
No,
fiber.
but it's actually a fiber hood.
Fiber hood and
जिसके ऊपर मैंने forged carbon fiber wrap कराया है.
कराया हुआ है.
Because-
The whole car is wrapped actually.
Yes, yes.
This is not paint. The whole car is wrapped.
Yeah.
And took a heck lot of time
Oh yes.
to wrap this.
Lot of
And
effort. That all thanks goes to AK Customs.
AK Customs. Yes. And second thing, I can see a very beautiful hood scope here to cool down the engine because he's always revving the shit out of this car so the engine can cool down.
Yep.
And plus there are race hinges to open this. You can
And-
also see that.
Yeah, and then I do have wheel well coolers over here. I
Yes,
have
yes.
incision on my fenders. Then basically,
This is all DIY. You have done this yourself.
yes. This is done by basically you have met Weber Mohan,
Yes.
our team's crew chief.
Yes.
He comes up
You
with the
can-
ideas.
yeah, you can see his video here. You can just click on the link and you can see his Ghidorah.
Yes.
So these hoods, these scoops on this fender look very beautiful. Thumbs up to these. And now the third most important thing is this. You see this? A
Well-
crazy looking air intake and भाई headlight में hole drill कर दिया है. More air is equal to more power.
Yes.
And then we can see a very beautiful, front bumper which is also custom made. And will you please explain about this kit? Which body kit is this?
Okay, so this is a NKS Type X kit.
Okay.
So I got it made by a local vendor out here in Faridabad.
Oh, so it is handmade, like
Yes, yes.
It is not from some machine or something.
No.
It's completely handmade है ये चीज. So guys, if you have a Civic and you want such bumper, contact this guy. And यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर the grills are completely different and even here यहाँ से भी stock grill हटाई हुई है.
This is ABS mesh.
Nice. This looks very awesome. Plus you can see clips here.
Yeah.
ये कार वैसे स्टॉक में ही बहुत लोअर है.
हाँ.
And और इसको और भी लोअर कराया हुआ है।
इसमें कोबरा सस्पेंशन डले हुए हैं।
नाइस। एंड मतलब पॉटहोल्स वगैरह में फिर
ब्रो, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स ही गेव मी दिस एडवाइस, कह रहे इफ यू गेट अब्यूज्ड और कर्स्ड और एनीथिंग, just take it happily but go at the speed of 0.
नाइस।
तो बेसिकली हाँ, मुझे हॉर्न सुनने को मिलते हैं, लोग शीशे नीचे करके गालियाँ भी देते हैं।
You are going very slow over the speed breaker to save this beautiful piece of, you know, body kit.
Yes,
I love it.
बस इसके अंदर normal I have a underbody sheet also, so
Yes, to,
that protects my engine also, like you know, surfaces like this,
gravel and everything,
loose tarmac or anything like that, you know. So it's basically for protection. Fuel tank के ऊपर भी I have a covered sheet, so nothing gets damaged.
अब बात करते हैं भाई इंजन के बारे में, जो कि बहुत ही रेवोल्यूशनरी था अपने टाइम का. इट स्टिल इज मीट द 1.8 लीटर IVTEC 4-pot from Honda. Please let us know what you have done to it.
So this is basically an R18 engine.
It is naturally aspirated.
Naturally
no
aspirated.
turbo.
No turbo, non-turbo, no turbo yet.
Yes,
I'm going to be
yes.
turbocharging it soon.
Nice. So your plans are, you know, turbocharging it.
Future plans, yes. So basically, I have a custom exhaust manifold made by Silencer House.
Nice.
It goes all the way through. It's a full system exhaust.
Full system exhaust.
And then I have a BMC
air intake kit. And जिस होल की बात हम कर रहे थे, जो कि हेडलाइट में ड्रिल हो रखा है, यहाँ से एयर आती है and it goes directly into the, you know, air filter and then into the engine. Simple. So
now I have stage 2 tuned it by GT tuners OEM Plus.
Okay. So the stock number on the IVTEC engine is 130 bhp and 170 to 171 Newton meter of torque.
Yes.
What numbers you are getting out of it now?
Currently, I'm running about 155 horsepower on it.
So you have dynoed it?
Yes.
Okay, you have dynoed it and then you are saying this
Yes,
is 155.
yes.
So 155 horsepower,
Yes.
130 was stock and 30% gain, you can say.
Yes, give or take 30% because then I have increased level of torque as well. So my torque comes up to about 197, 195, something like that.
And this is a very reliable engine, bulletproof engine, you can say. This will last long than any one of us standing here if, you know, kept well and maintained.
Exactly.
Well. Let's talk about some other beautiful bits here. First of all, this car is, you know, lowered. Like three finger का gap है यहाँ पे.
पीछे वो भी नहीं होगा.
पीछे वो भी नहीं होगा. We'll show you. And so the stock rim size is 16 inches. 15 inches.
Yes.
And this is 17 inches.
Yeah.
And these alloy wheels are like, they look great, and there's a special detail here.
Yes.
Hubcaps from Honda, Toyo tires and everything. Plus,
no, the tires are actually Michelin. Those are just stickers. A little bit honesty.
And you can see some, you know, air vents on the fender also. We already talked about these, but you can also see here. These all are custom made. They look very pretty on this car. Plus here you see a beautiful dapper sticker because this car is dapper.
That she is.
And the mirror are also, you know, something different. Please tell us about them.
Basically, this is, you could say, a BMW type design. It was looking good. I was like, why not?
Why not? And plus we see this wrap look beautiful. I think this color, the shade, the exact the name of this shade
Tiffany
is
green.
Tiffany green.
Yes.
And he has blacked out the roof, which goes with the black hood, and the boot lid is also black. So this looks beautiful. The contrast is contrast बहुत सही है, you know, blue और black का.
How थोड़ा, you know, first everyone knows I had it wrapped in grey.
हाँ, yes.
So inside
grey से याद आया, भैया कार का नाम तो बता दीजिए. सब कुछ बता दिया. This car is fondly called
Greynade.
Greynade. भाई ये फटती है जब रोड पे चलती है. Come here, come to the rear tire. I can barely, so this is the gap, you can see that. And talk about the disc rotors here, please.
Again, same thing, Dixel.
Dixel rotors, Dixel brake pads, and nice.
Yeah.
We are at the rear part, and there are so many things done to this.
So these are aftermarket Taiwan tail lamps. So, and tips again are from Silencer House. Yours truly.
Cherry on the cake, these 4 tips which are extremely loud. You will want to hear them again. And another thing, this beautiful F1 style brake light here.
Well, of course, now it's a race car, so I had to have something.
So everything gels together very well. When you see the car from the rear end and third person view, it looks very good. It looks something very different but very subtle.
I didn't want it to go full berserk, like CRZ kit or something. वो मेरे को पसंद भी नहीं है. हाँ.
Normal भी नहीं लगता, एक मस्त कुछ लगता है बीच में.
So now we are here in my cockpit. So as you can all see, मैंने पूरा interior blacked out करा रखा है. Sparko की gear knob है, Sparko की seat है, race seat. Then I have a OMP 3-pointer harness that I like to wear, but it is actually a 5-pointer harness. Now I do have a OBD meter, a tire pressure monitor, dash cam, and also so we have a customized back sheet that we don't have a seat in the back. Now you guys want to see this. I can't explain it right here and here. Let's just show you it.
So this was all for this video. Please do like and share this. आप Flaunt Your Ride के next episode में कौन सी कार देखना चाहते हैं? Do let us know in the comments. This is your buddy Karan signing off. See you on next Saturday. Goodbye and happy motoring.